campus in MBA department, CHAS Ahmednagar. Today we will discuss the advanced financial management and unit first financial planning and shareholder value. Shareholder value already discussed the two problem and today discuss the third problem and problem see the previous lecture and today discuss the working capital statement of change in working capital. Show the working capital. Last lecture discussed the 2018 and 2019 balance sheet and this balance sheet and additional informations on the prepare on statement of changing working capital. Show the balance sheet. This side, this is a particular 2018 and 2019. This is increase and decrease. Working capital formula is current asset minus current liability is equal to change in working capital. This side show the current asset. First one is current asset. Current asset is called A. Current asset. Show the balance sheet. Last year balance sheet current asset. Debtors. Show the debtors. In 2018 debtors 1,60,000. 1,60,000 and 2019 debtors 2 lakh. 2 lakh. So the debtors 1,60,000 in 2018 and 2019 2 lakhs means 2 lakh minus 1,60,000 is equal to 40,000 means increase this 40,000 debtors. Okay, next show the balance sheet. Next current asset stock. Stock, this is a current asset in 2018 77,000 in 2018 and 2019 1 lakh 9,000. 1,09,000 is equal to 32,000 increase. 1,09,000 minus 77,000 is equal to 32,000 increase stock. Okay, next one is cash in hand. This is a current asset. Cash in hand. Cash in hand. This is the current asset in 2018 15,000. 15,000 and 2019 10,000. 10,000 means show the situations. Cash in hand 2018 15,000 and 2019 10,000 means 50,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 5,000. 5,000. This is the loss means decrease 5,000. Means this column decrease column 5,000. And next one is bills receivable. Bills receivable. Bills receivable. Bills receivable in 2018 20,000 and 2019 30,000 means 30,000 minus 10,000 means this 2019 increase 10,000 means increase column 10,000 bills receivable. And next one is cash at bank. Cash at bank. Cash at bank. This is the current asset. Cash at bank. Cash at bank in 2018 10,000 and 2019 8,000 means 2,000 loss cash at bank in 2019 means 2,000 decrease means decrease column 2,000. 27,000 and 2018 2,82,000. 2,82,000. This is the 2018 total. Less current liability. Less current liability. Liabilities is called B. Means A minus B. Okay. Current liability show the last year balance sheet. Creditors. Creditors. Creditors in 2018 55,000. 55,000 and 2019 83,000. 83,000. Next one is bills payable. Bills payable, this is a current liability. Bills payable. This is the current liability. Show the bills receivable. Bills receivable and bills payable. Show the difference. Bills receivable means bills. This is a stock and this is a stock means current asset, and bills payable means this is a देने organization ला देने लागू होता है bills payable. In that case, this is a current liability. Current liability is 20,000 in 2018 and 16,000 in 2019. 16,000 in 2019 means show the situation. 20,000 in 2018 and 16,000 in 2019 means 20,000 minus 16,000. 16,000 is equal to 4,000. This is a decrease means this is a liability means 4,000. This is the profit in organization. This column increase side 4,000. Okay. And next one, this is a creditor. 55,000 in 2018 and 2019 83,000 means 83,000 minus 55,000 is equal to 28,000. This is a 28,000. This is a decrease in creditor. Decrease in creditor means liability ही कमी झालेली आहे त्यावर increase 28,000 ही increase organization ला increase झालेला आहे त्यामुळे increase column 28,000. Okay. And next one, this is the total current liabilities. 99,000. This is current liability in 2019 and 75,000 in 2018. Okay. Next one. Next one is increase side total 86,000. 86,000 minus show the increase side total 40,000 plus 32,000 plus 10,000. 40,000 32,000 is equal to 72,000 plus 10,000 82,000 plus 4,000 86,000. This is the increase column total and decrease column. 86,000 minus 5,000 plus 2,000 7,000 and 7,000 plus 28,000 is equal to 35,000. 35,000 minus 86,000 minus 35,000 is equal to 51,000. 51,000. This is the increase in working capital. 51,000 in increase in working capital. Increase in working capital. In working capital. Show the show the A minus B. A minus B is equal to 3,57,000 minus 99,000. 99,000 is equal to 2,58,000. 2,58,000 and 2,82,000 minus 75,000 is equal to 2,07,000. 2,07,000. This is a A minus B, and last one is show the 51,000. 51,000 increase column, increase is 51,000, means this total is 2,58,000 and this side total is 2,58,000, means total is correct. So the total is working capital is correct, means working capital is correct. Show the statement of change in working capital. Show the first side particular 2018 and 2019. This side change in working capital, increase column and decrease column. This is a current asset. Current asset debtors in 2018 1,60,000 and 2019 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh minus 1,60,000 40,000. This is the increase side, means increase column 40,000. And next one is stock 2018 77,000 and 2019 1,09,000 in 2009 means 1,09,000 minus 77,000 is equal to 32,000. This is the increase, means increase column 32,000. And next one is cash in hand. Cash in hand, this is current asset. 2018 15,000 and 2019 10,000, means this is a loss 5,000, means 15,000 minus 10,000 is equal to loss 5,000, means decrease column 5,000. Okay, and next one is bills receivable. Bills receivable 2018 20,000 and 2019 30,000, means 10,000. This is the increase. Bills receivable means 10,000 in increase column 10,000. And next one is cash at bank. This is a current asset. 2018 10,000 and 2019 8,000, means this is a 2,000 loss cash at bank, means decrease column 2,000. And this is the current asset total 2019 3,57,000 and 2018 2,82,000. This is a current asset in 2018. And next column is a less current liability. It's called B. Current liability, which is our current liability? Creditor. First one is creditor. Creditor 55,000 in 2018 and 83,000 in 2019, means 83,000 increase. This is a creditor. 83,000 minus 55,000. This is a 28,000 increase. The creditor. This is a liability in organization and in any business and institution. 28,000. This is the liability, means this is a loss 28,000. That's why this is decrease column 28,000. And next one is the bills payable. Bills payable 20,000 in 2018 and 16,000 in 2019. Bills payable, this is a decrease 4,000. Okay, this is a decrease 4,000, means 4,000. This is the stock in organization. That's why increase column 4,000. And next one is this is the current liabilities total 75,000 and in 2019 99,000. And next step is A minus B. A minus B means current asset minus current liability. A minus B in 2018 2,07,000 and 2019 2,58,000. And this is the last one is show the change in working capital. 2,000 change increase column 86,000 total. 40,000 plus 32,000 plus 10,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 86,000 total. and this is 86,000 total minus 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 28,000 minus is equal to 51,000. This is the increase in working capital. This side 2018 51,000 increase in working capital is equal to 2,50,000.